I'm gonna make a small bag, which is collection baskets. We got our sister here from another mother.
Yes.
She can collect her spices, what she was around.
Yes.
Sister from another mother is gonna collect the spices.
Girl. That's why she wanna carry it all over. Soon, I hope that soon we're gonna call her Spice Girl.
Maybe.
Yes. I'm gonna do something which is going to be like an ice cream. Ice cream inside. But you want stuff. Here we go.
Nice.
Even the bags are natural.
Yes.
He's going up.
Okay, so he's about to climb.
He's going up right now.
Oh,
So-
okay.
This man here. Here.
Oh,
He's
okay.
going to climb up.
Oh, cool.
So you can take a video picture.
Yes. Get my camera out. I deleted a bunch of old ancient stuff. I don't know. I deleted a lot of stuff off my phone. I would say start climbing and get a picture.
Woo! Hello! Hakuna matata, hein? Woo! Aya! Anasema tena na wapi? Hapa kwetu Zanzibar hakuna tena na matata bwana we. No breble, tena no breble, tena no breble. Hakuna matata, butterfly bwana, butterfly. Eti Kenya, Zanzibar, Uganda wanaondoka. Butterfly inakwenda na Pemba bwana. Ikeru na Pemba, Dar es Salaam, Kenya, Uganda inakwenda. Hakuna matata. Woo! Anasema malaika, eti ninakupenda malaika, malaika, eti ninakutamani malaika, eti we kijana mwenzio, kijana mwenzio, nashindwa na mali sina we, eti ningekuoa malaika. Woo! Anasema jambo, jambo, woo! Jambo bwana, habari gani? Woo! Mzuri sana, ati wageni wakaribishwa. Woo! Zanzibar yetu hakuna matata, karibuni wageni, hakuna matata, atakaye na aje, hakuna matata. Woo! Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Woo! Mzuri sana, ati wageni wakaribishwa. Zanzibar yetu hakuna matata. Woo!
Asante sana.
Thank you.
That's right.
Thank you. This is beautiful.
The chickens like it. Look, the chickens. The chickens came when he sang.
Yes. Wow, this is really awesome.
Oh, Nish got a gift.
Necklace. And a necklace.
And a necklace.
Chicken.
Ooh, this one looks real juicy.
Didn't expect this, did you, Nish?
Tie.
Oh,
This is nice.
hold on, want to get
Done.
I get a tie.
Yes. Oh, I'm recording myself, so you probably want me to turn it to
Okay.
you. Yes.
Hakuna matata.
Yeah.
Kuna Matata.
Oh, chicken, where are you going?
Hakuna Matata. Woo!
This is so nice. I am enjoying.
This chicken crown.
I even get a crown. Yes.
Ready?
You ready, brother?
There we go. Hold on.
Yeah.
Nish has been crowned queen of the tour.
Yes. And my brother the king.
I'll take my cap off for me, please.
Yes, I should. There you go.
He's gonna be like King